Now, next is theoretical framework and hypothesis development. So, a theoretical framework is the foundation of hypothetico-deductive research, as it is the basis of hypothesis that you will develop. The development of a theoretical framework is crucial in deductive theory testing casual research. A need of theoretical framework represents your belief on how certain phenomena, that is variables, are related to each other, and explanation of why you believe that these variables are associated. So the process of building a theoretical framework includes introducing definitions of the concepts of variables in your model, developing a concept model that provides a descriptive representation of your theory, coming up with a theory that provides an explanation of relationships between the variables in your model. Then, from the theoretical framework, testable hypotheses can be developed to examine whether your theory is valid or not. So the independent variables helps to explain the variance in the dependent variables. The mediating variable serves as a function of the independent variable, which helps us to conceptualize the relationship between independent and dependent variables. Let's move and understand the functions of theoretical framework. So it provides general framework which can guide the data analysis. It identifies the variable to measure. It explains why one variable can possibly affect another, or why the independent variable can possibly influence a dependent variable. It limits the scope of data relevant to the framework by focusing on specific variables. It stipulates its analysis and interpreting data. Now check the diagram. Theoretical framework. So most studies do not generate new novel theories from scratch. Instead, they generally work on improving what already exists. The addition or deletion of factors are not of sufficient magnitude to substantially alter the core logic of the existing theory. Relationships, not lists, are the domain of theory. Author must be able to identify and delineate how proposed changes affect the concept or accepted relationship between the factors and what contribution you will make. It is common approach to explain why the strengthened logical by borrowing a perspective from other fields, which encourages an alternative explanation or challenge the underlying rationales of accepted theories. So theories are often challenged because their assumptions have been proven unrealistic. So check this, where you can see usefulness, ease of use, playfulness, and compatibility. Talks about attitude towards internet abuse, where you do the research on demographic, age, gender, internet experience. So this is how you develop a theoretical framework and then leads towards the hypothesis accordingly.